The ITIL 4 Foundation syllabus covers the 7 key terms and one model shown here. An IT asset is defined as any financially valuable component that can contribute to the delivery of an IT product or service. IT assets make up a subset of components of services, the subset that are financially valuable. An event is any change of state that has significance for the management of a service or other configuration item. It includes informational events, for example, the batch job has completed, and warnings. For example, you set the system up to warn you when circuit utilization is at 10%. Well, it's at 10% and exceptions like a service or server being down. A configuration item is any service component that must be managed to deliver an IT service such as hardware, software, networks, buildings, people, services, suppliers, and documentation. A change is defined as the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could directly or indirectly affect services. An incident is an unplanned interruption to a service or a reduction in the quality of a service. It is where something important to the service is broken or down or degraded to the point that it affects or may affect the quality of service. A problem is a cause or potential cause of one or more incidents. Problems are related to but distinct from incidents. Incidents have an impact on users or business processes and must be resolved so that normal business activity can take place. Note that you can resolve an incident, restore service, without necessarily getting to the underlying cause. A known error is a problem that has been analyzed but not yet resolved. Contrast this with a problem, which is an unknown error. The continual improvement model is ITIL 4's structured approach to implementing improvements. The steps in the model are: what is the vision? Where are we now? Where do we want to be? And how do we get there? Then taking action, a new step added to the model in ITIL 4 to did we get there and keeping the momentum going.